Have you ever wondered how you can make money from home? In the age of the internet, it's not just a possibility, it's a reality for millions of people around the world. With the right approach and a dash of creativity, your home can become more than just a place to live. It can become a source of income, a hub of productivity, and a launch pad for your financial independence. In this video, we're going to explore several ingenious ways to earn income without even stepping out of your front door. From freelancing to online tutoring, selling products to stock photography, we're covering a broad spectrum of opportunities that can help you capitalize on your skills and interests. Each of these methods has its own unique benefits and challenges, but they all share one common trait: the potential to turn your home into a money-making powerhouse. So buckle up, and let's dive in to see how you can turn your home into a cash-making machine. Scene script. First on our list is freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to make money from home, offering the freedom to work when and where you want. This concept revolves around being self-employed and not necessarily committed to a long-term employer. Instead of working 9 to 5, you get to choose your own hours and set your own rates. One of the greatest advantages to freelancing is its flexibility. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can structure your work around your lifestyle. This is particularly beneficial for those who have other commitments, such as family responsibilities or studies. There's an abundance of freelancing platforms out there, each offering a unique set of opportunities. Let's dive into a few of the big ones. Upwork, for instance, is a global platform where businesses and independent professionals connect and collaborate remotely. Fiverr, on the other hand, is an online marketplace for freelance services where you can offer your skills in neat, compact packages known as gigs. And then there's Freelancer, a platform that allows potential employers to post jobs that freelancers can then bid to complete. The types of jobs available in freelancing are as diverse as the platforms themselves. You might be a wordsmith, eager to offer your talents in writing, editing, or translating. Or perhaps you're more visually inclined, finding your niche in graphic design or video editing. For those tech-savvy individuals, programming or web development could be your ticket. And let's not forget about virtual assistants, a role that encompasses a variety of administrative tasks, from managing emails to scheduling appointments. Freelancing is not only about working from home, but it's also about using your unique skill set to provide valuable services to others. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, freelancing can be a lucrative and rewarding way to make money. Freelancing offers a flexible work schedule and a wide range of job opportunities. Next up, we have online tutoring. If you're someone who loves sharing knowledge and has a knack for teaching, then this one's for you. It's about leveraging what you already know and passing it on to someone else who's eager to learn. The beauty of it is you're not limited by geography or time zones. With the internet, you can reach anyone, anywhere, anytime. Think about it. Are you good at English, math, science, or programming? These subjects are in high demand, and there are plenty of students out there looking for someone to guide them. But it's not just about academic subjects. Maybe you're a whiz at guitar, an expert at chess, or a wizard with Photoshop. There are platforms where you can teach these skills too. Let's talk about some of these platforms. VIPKid, for instance, connects English tutors with students in China. It's a fantastic way to make a difference while making some dollars. Or take Chegg Tutors, where you can teach a wide array of subjects. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you. But how does it work? Well, typically you'll create a profile, list your qualifications and the subjects or skills you can teach. Some platforms may require you to pass a test or provide proof of your expertise. Once you're approved, students can find you and book a session. You then conduct the session via video chat at a mutually agreed time. So what's in it for you? Apart from the obvious financial gain, there's the satisfaction of helping someone else. You're not just earning money, you're making a difference. You're empowering someone with knowledge, boosting their confidence, and opening up new possibilities for them. The demand for online tutoring is growing, and it's a trend that's set to continue. So why not jump on board? If you've got a skill or knowledge to share, there's likely someone out there who's willing to pay to learn it. Online tutoring is a rewarding way to earn money and help others at the same time. Another fantastic way to make money from home is by selling products online. This avenue of income generation has been growing in popularity, and it's easy to see why. Let's start with handmade products, vintage items, or digital products. These can be sold on platforms like Etsy, a marketplace that connects artisans and creators with customers from around the world. So if you've got a knack for crafting unique jewelry, or if you're a whiz at creating digital art, Etsy could be your ticket to turning your hobby into a profitable business. Vintage items also have a special place in the online marketplace. If you're someone who loves thrifting and hunting for unique antique pieces, you can turn that passion into profit by selling these items on platforms like Etsy or eBay. Speaking of eBay, this platform is a fantastic place to sell used items. From electronics to clothing, if you've got something that's in good condition but no longer serves you, chances are someone else is looking for just that item. It's a great way to declutter your home while making some extra cash. Now let's talk about dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means that the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. It's an excellent way to sell products without the hassle of handling inventory. However, like any business venture, selling products online requires a good marketing strategy. You need to understand your target audience, create compelling product descriptions, and utilize social media and other marketing tools to get your products in front of potential customers. Selling products online can be a profitable venture if you have the right products and marketing strategy. It's a realm filled with endless opportunities and the potential for significant financial growth. So, why not give it a shot? For the photographers out there, selling stock photos can be a great source of income. Now you might be wondering, how do I go about doing that? Well, it's quite simple. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are always on the lookout for high-quality photos. All you need is a decent camera, a good eye for composition, and a pinch of creativity. And voila, you're ready to start selling. These platforms let you upload your photos, and every time someone downloads your image, you get a cut of the price. The potential earnings can vary greatly. Some photographers make a few dollars a month, while others earn a substantial income. It all depends on the quality and appeal of your photos. And what sells well? Everything from travel and nature to business and lifestyle shots. So keep your camera ready and capture the world around you. Selling stock photos can turn your photography hobby into a money-making venture. So, those were some of the genius ways to make money from home. As we draw this enlightening journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the ingenious methods we've explored. We kicked things off with freelancing, an avenue that provides the flexibility to choose your work and set your hours. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or possess any other marketable skill, there's a world of opportunity waiting in the freelancing market. The beauty of this method is that it allows you to convert your passion into a paycheck, right from the comfort of your own home. Next, we delved into the realm of online tutoring, a sector that has seen tremendous growth in recent years. Whether you're proficient in a specific academic subject or you're a master of a particular skill, there's an eager audience out there keen to learn. Online tutoring not only offers the satisfaction of imparting knowledge, but also provides a sustainable income stream. Then we explored the promising world of selling products online, from handmade crafts to vintage items, from your old books to the clothes you no longer wear. The internet is a vast marketplace. With the right strategies, you can turn your unused items or your handmade creations into a lucrative online business. Lastly, we looked at selling stock photos, a method often overlooked but with immense potential. If you have a knack for photography, why not monetize your talent? With countless websites and businesses constantly on the lookout for unique imagery, your creative snaps could be the next big thing in the world of stock photography. Remember, making money from home requires dedication and hard work, but with the right approach, you can turn your home into your office. With these genius methods at your disposal, you're well on your way to carving out a profitable and fulfilling career right from your living room. So take that leap of faith and start your journey towards financial independence today.